Hello, everybody. My name is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Twitter in 30 Minutes, and today I'm going to be talking about blocking accounts on Twitter. And here's what I'm talking about. This is my business Twitter account. This is the home feed, and you can see the different tweets that are showing up in my home feed. Let's say that I'm starting to see all of these advertisements from Quip for electric toothbrushes. I'm not interested. I just want them all to stop. And this is actually an advertisement, which is a little bit special. But the way you block an advertisement or an account that's advertising is the same way you'd block anybody else. You go to this little dangling carrot thing that says more if you hover over it, just to the upper right part of the tweet. Click on it, and you can click block get Quip. It will say, are you sure you want to do that? And it'll basically tell you what will happen. They won't be able to follow or message you, and you will not see notifications from Get Quip. Yes, I want to block them. And you can see they disappeared because they used to be right below this tweet from Brooke. Now it's gone. The other thing you can do is if people are messaging you or starting to irritate you, you can block them as well. So for instance, I don't remember what I tweeted, but this company, they replied to me and they're trying to sell something, and it kind of bothers me. I want to block them. Same deal. Go to more, and then block the account. Same message. You click block. The other thing you can do is you can block followers who may be irritating you. So let's go home again. And I don't have a whole lot of followers. There's 96 of them. But let's see who they are. Okay. Some of them are people that I like following me, like Scott, Jim Walker, Emma Barnes. But some things I'm not really interested in learning about it. This options guy, what he or she may be tweeting about, yeah, that might be interesting if you're into crypto or ETFs or stocks or futures. But my account is about media. I don't want this person following me. So what I can do is I can click these three little dots right next to the follow button under his account. Click more user actions, block this account. And that person will be gone. Actually, let's just reload the page. Yep, they used to be here and now they're gone. There's another thing you can do with people who are following you. If you don't want to let them know that you've blocked them, you can mute them. And let's say, this person. Let's say, I don't want to hurt his feelings, but I also, so I don't want to block him outright, but I just don't want to see his tweets showing up. Or I want there to be less of an experience where his stuff is showing up in my home feed because he happens to be following me. You select mute. So it means you will no longer receive notifications from this person. And that's actually pretty useful because sometimes he may be mentioning me all the time on Twitter and I don't want to see it. So that's the difference between blocking and muting. It can be a pretty effective way to get rid of people who are irritating you, or at least slow down the notifications or stop the notifications from them. For more information on how to get the most out of Twitter, check out my book, Twitter in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. And thank you so much for watching.